students, I welcome you all in the online class of Social Studies. In the previous video, we had studied about the state Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Today, we will continue the same chapter, chapter number 15, Coastal Plains and Islands. Today, we will know about island groups. First one, which is located in the Arabian Sea, and the second one, which is located in the Bay of Bengal. Okay. So see, first one, Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory. Out of 9 union territory, Lakshadweep also is the union territory of India. Okay. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory, and Kavaratti is the capital city. The main occupation here is agriculture and fishing. Okay. This region is also popular for coir items and beautiful corals. The main languages are Malayalam and Mal. Okay. Here, coir and fishing are main occupation of the people except agriculture. Okay. And Malayalam and Mal are 2 languages spoken by the people. Okay. Now we will see the location of Lakshadweep island groups in the map. Then we will continue the topic. Students, see, in the south of the map, here it is Lakshadweep island groups. Here you can see dot dot. Okay. In the Arabian Sea. And here it is Andaman Nicobar island groups. Okay. It is located in the Bay of Bengal. Students, see, the word Lakshadweep means 100,000 islands. Lakshadweep means a group of 100,000 islands. These islands are the smallest union territory of India. They are located some 400 kilometers of India's west coast into the Arabian Sea. As I have shown you in the map, that these island groups are located in the Arabian Sea. Okay. The islands have a population of around 66,000 people. Lakshadweep Islands are a group of 36 beautiful coral islands which lie in the Arabian Sea. Corals are tiny skeletal substances secreted by marine animals. Secreted means produced or discharged. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India, as I told you, and Kavaratti is the capital city. Only 10 of 36 islands are inhabited. Means in Lakshadweep island groups there are total 36 islands. But out of 36, only 10 islands are inhabited. Inhabited means only on 10 islands people are living. Okay. Tourism is the main economic activity in this region. Economic activity, an activity which is done to earn money, income. Some of the popular islands are Amin Devi, Minicoy and Agatti. These are the names of islands. These islands are popular for water sports. As we know, there are many water sports. So these islands are popular for water sports. The main occupation here is agriculture and fishing. Fishing means catching different kinds of fish or fishes. Coconut cultivation is a major economic activity here. Means except tourism, coconut activity is also done. This region is also popular for coir items. Coir means the outer covering of a coconut. It is known as coir. And beautiful corals. The main languages of Lakshadweep are Malayalam and Mal. Okay. Now we will know about Andaman and Nicobar Islands. I have shown you in the map Andaman and Nicobar Islands group, which is located in the Bay of Bengal. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are two groups of islands which lie in the Bay of Bengal. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar is Port Blair. Rice is the main food crop of Andaman Islands. Coconut and areca nut are the cash crops of the Nicobar Islands. Pulses, oilseeds, vegetables and fruits such as banana, papaya, pineapple and root crops are grown here. Spices like pepper, cinnamon and clove are grown in some areas. The main industry, however, is fishery and tourism. These are also the main activity in Lakshadweep Islands. Some places of tourist interest are the Cellular Jail, Barren Island, Cove Beach and Coral Island. The major means important language spoken here are Bengali, Tamil, Hindi and Telugu. Okay. Students, there are about 572 islands in the Andaman and Nicobar, but only 37 are inhabited. Means out of 572, people are living only on 37 islands. There are many primitive endangered tribes living on these islands. Endangered tribes means in coming future maybe that they means in the coming future maybe that we will not find people of these tribal groups. Okay. So students, today we learned about island groups which are located in the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. We also have learned that there are more than 500 islands, but on very few islands people are living, and except agriculture, fishing, coconut activity and fishery are the main occupation of the people. Tourism too. Listen the video carefully and revise the topic and try to solve the exercises given at the back of the chapter. Thank you. God bless you all.